while working for a bank, many times I was involved in mediation, and I really found that this is something that I felt I want to do. When I was searching for these programs that are being offered at different law schools, USC is the one that got my attention. Every day I'm impressed by the amount of knowledge the professors are bringing to the students, as well as the students who are coming from different diverse background, education, professional background, be able to have their opinions and their ideas when tackling these topics that are being discussed. I'm already applying the knowledge that I learn on the work that I do on a daily basis. For me to actually interact, facilitate, for people to be able to work together to reach the common goal, that is something that I have learned through this program and really improve my skill set to be more of a value added to an organization. I'm proud to be a USC Gould ADR student.